National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to midline of Lake Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan, New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan, until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 16 nautical miles northeast of Harrison Beaver Crib, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher wind and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include New Buffalo and Michigan City. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.